Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Multiplex All in One. ఈరోజు మా టాపిక్ శానిటైజర్స్ సన్లైట్లో ఉంటే పేలుతున్నాయి, ఫ్లేమబుల్ అని చాలా న్యూస్ వస్తుంది కదా. అందులో ఏది రూమర్, ఏది ఫేక్, ఏది రియల్ ఈరోజు తెలుసుకోబోతున్నారు ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా. ప్లీజ్ స్టే క్లోజ్ టు దిస్ వీడియో. You can see the 5 types of sanitizers which we are going to use this in this experiment. Let's start our video. This is a gel type of sanitizer. This is also a gel sanitizer. This is a hand spray sanitizer which was a liquid spray. And this is a high clean sanitizer which was a local one. Now we are going to see, this is a sanitizer which was provided by our government to our government officials. Okay guys, now let's see the paper. You can watch that the 5 sanitizers are applied on this paper with the respected names. Let's see how much time does it take for its evaporation, and then we can keep a matchstick to keep it in a fire, and let's see if it gonna react for this sunlight or not. You can watch the exact time is 3:03. Okay guys, the time is 3:06. You can watch that exactly 3 minutes after this. You can watch the Dettol gel has already evaporated up to 90%, and also the high clean sanitizer also evaporated for 90%, and the government supplied sanitizer is also evaporated 90%, whereas the Godrej gel and liquid hasn't evaporated still now. Let's see after a 2 minutes or 1 minute span. Okay guys, now you can watch the time is 3:08, and you can almost watch that except the Godrej gel remaining 4 have evaporated in the sunlight. Now let's put on a matchstick and watch how these are going to be reacting after a span of 8 minutes.
I think all the sanitizers are evaporated. Now let's test it again.
Okay guys, now we are trying to put on a matchstick by adding the gels immediately. Hey guys, now we are going to try these 5 sanitizers under room temperature. Let's see the reaction of these sanitizers under room temperature. Now let's put on a matchstick under this room temperature and watch how this sanitizer is going to react. You can watch the flame is getting in a high reaction under the sanitizer. Hey guys, you are able to watch the gel sanitizer has reacted to fire. The liquid sanitizer hasn't given any high reactions, but a little bit. Just want to try the liquid sanitizers once again, so we just pour some of the sanitizers again and again, and let's try with the exception of the gel sanitizers. We just want to try this liquid sanitizer once again. And let's see whether it is going to catch the fire or not. Okay, the water content in this liquid sanitizers are just reacting in an opposite way for this flame. See guys, you can watch the flame is getting in a higher range when compared to normal flame when we kept in this sanitizer. And you can watch that. You can watch the Hycleen sanitizer had just reacted for this paper and it just caught fire. Whereas the Godrej liquid had reacted a little bit. So I think it was a little bit safer when compared to the remaining one, which hasn't caught fire till now. You can watch the position of the Godrej liquid. Thanks for watching guys.